Good morning. Chef Misha over her. Good morning. Made some snowmen and Mickey Mouse.
My video. Whatever you want to call it. Made a snowman pancake.
Looks good. Okay, so I just finished all my homework and now I'm gonna do my makeup. Wow, I look like a hobo. Okay, so my little cousin Neve and I are gonna go take pictures outside for Easter because it's really pretty out today and it's supposed to rain on Easter, so let's go. Here are the stars of the show. I just changed clothes and now we're going outside to play basketball. I just had lunch and we all changed, so.
No.
Really?
We could honestly probably move the hoop if you want to. Where? Like right here.
Guys! Guys!
We're going this way.
I thought you guys were falling!
Oh.
Kind of was.
Oh my gosh!
There you go. That's perfect. Did you put this net on that one?
No.
No.
Why? Huh?
We could.
No, don't. It's fine. It's just a net.
Okay, well they're gonna take 2 hours to
Yeah, you can
do the net, so we'll catch you later.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 11 more.
Only 11 more. Wow.
Well, we're gonna have to.
Go get
You
the
got
welder.
duct tape?
Go get the welder.
You got any duct tape?
You guys have a welder?
Just an old.
Of course we do.
Alright.
My dad probably has one down there.
Don't break that one.
Just too strong, Kenzie.
Come here. Come here. What is this?
What is what?
Come here. What is this?
A big black man.
Oh my god! Guys, you do it. Actually, grab it.
You want to hold it?
No.
Hey, you old thing. Hey.
Okay.
No. I think frog.
Don't drop him! Aw. He's hurt. No, he's hurt.
Huge that thing
He's
is.
okay.
Huge. It's the hugest frog I've ever seen. Holy.
It's a toad, silly.
Here's the thingy. Toad thing.
Here, there.
What are we doing?
Look up there. Look up there. No, Giles.
Okay, so we just got done playing basketball. Now we're gonna work out.
you.
Goodbye. I love you.
I love you. It's been a pleasure being a part of this. This is such a sweet moment here.
Okay, so Seth just left and I'm gonna shower from after my workout and from being outside because my allergies are super bad and I really need to get this pollen off of me. So, catch you when I'm clean. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and now I'm gonna moisturize my face. Now I'm gonna go downstairs and see what's going on and hopefully eat some dinner. Are you dabbing or what?
Coming up for dessert.
Nevaeh, say hello. She's dabbing too.
Chocolate chip.
No, dabbing, I was dabbing.
Welcome back to Cooking with Jeff. Today we'll be making
To get the brownie mix out of the package. Like so.
okay.
My assistant Kenzie, my beautiful Kenzie, heat up the packet. We're gonna use 1 farm fresh egg from our farm chicken, and another farm egg chicken.
Don't we only have one
Egg.
chicken?
We only have 1 chicken.
I'm going to pop that open, like so. That's 1.
Vegetable oil. We're being healthy. We're being healthy today. So I'm gonna pour half a cup of
How much?
olive oil.
Whoa, how much?
Half a cup.
Half a cup of vegetable oil.
Oh my gosh, but it's olive oil.
But it's olive oil. Okay.
We need water.
3 tablespoons of water. 3. We're not using C8 water, by the way. We're using
Water.
bottled water. 2. And 3. And just a little pinch to grow on, Kenzie.
Good.
Don't mind, please get us the pan ready, please.
Which one?
First, second, I'm third.
Cold water. Batter. See here? Stirring up the batter. Do not spray cooking spray in your mouth.
It
I think it tastes like butter, but it does not.
It smells like Tootsie Rolls.
Right there. Brownie makers, yeah.
Okay.
All of that good stuff.
And she's taking over my show. Place the brownie mix in the pan into the oven. Watch it on time. 25 minutes. And start. And this is what we're gonna have.
Oh.
Where's one?
Oh, brownies. Is this mine? Taste tester. 1, 2, 3. Alice and Kenzie, taste testers. Tell us if it's good. Don't burn your lip.
It's hot. We don't have any water.
Good night, everyone. I love you all. Good night. Thank you guys all so much for watching.